Hey guys, this is Ty and welcome back to the channel. It's about 10 or 11 o'clock tonight. Dixon's over there snoozing away, and I've had a thought for a little while. And so I wanted to make a video of that tonight. And that is 25 tips for motovloggers in 5 minutes. So stick around. Okay, 25 tips in 5 minutes. We'll get started with that in just a minute. Now, my channel is not huge. I don't have hundreds of thousands of subscribers as some motovloggers do. I don't have a ton of viewership, but the motovloggers and the audience that I do have been loyal to me ever since I started about 1.5 years ago. And along that journey, I feel like I've learned some things that are helpful. Maybe you can learn from some of the mistakes that I've made. So I wanted to make this video to spark a little bit of conversation and thought on your end and on my end. And maybe you can run with this and have some ideas of your own. So that's what I wanted to do. So let's go ahead and put a timer up here and let's try to go through these 25 tips for motovloggers in 5 minutes. Number one is don't be a jerk, okay? The world is full of a-holes. The motovlogging community is made up of wonderful, kind, and sweet people. We don't really need that type of negativity in our community, so don't put that out on your channel. The second thing I can think of is don't put on an act. For the most part, people can see right through that. So just be yourself when you're on camera. Build relationships with your viewers. Don't just let your channel be about motorcycles or computers or that other thing. You were talking about having an audience with people, so let them in on your life. Okay, what about swearing? All right, I say don't swear too much in your videos, especially if you want to cast your net really wide and appeal to a wide audience. Be confident, and sometimes as a motovlogger, that can be a little difficult. You're talking about you're riding around on your motorcycle, you're wearing a helmet, you're basically talking to yourself on camera. It can be a little weird. What about dislikes and negative comments? Yeah, you're gonna get them, it's gonna happen. But be a better person. Rise above those negative comments and dislikes. Don't let it get the best of you. To sell or not to sell. A lot of people get bent out of shape when you're selling products on your YouTube channel. My personal opinion is if you want to sell, sell. If you don't want to, don't. Show gratitude for your subscribers. Let them know that you care. Let them know that you're appreciative of them showing up every week and watching your videos. What software is best for editing? Well, really any of them. It's personal preference. I would say check out a handful, see which ones you like best. Some people like software that has more options and bells and whistles. Some like ones who are more user-friendly. I use Filmora because it's extremely user-friendly, but hey, that's just me. Share your humanity and vulnerability. Don't be afraid to be genuine with emotion on camera. Quality or quantity on YouTube. For me personally, I'm gonna go with quality. There's a certain standard that I want my videos to have, and that's what I shoot for. Burnout. Yes, all the time, very frequently. It happens a lot with me. I get frustrated with YouTube and frustrated with channel growth, and who knows, you might too. But be prepared for that to happen and be prepared to take a break when you need it. What type of microphone should you get for your computer setup? Well, it depends. Do you want an XLR mic? Do you want a USB mic? I've got an Elgato Wave 1 mic. It's one of their lower priced microphones. What about GoPro placement on your helmet? Where's the best place for that? A lot of people will put them on top as a unicorn. Over on the side, I've seen that. Mainly, you're going to see motovloggers with a helmet right up front. I think for most viewers, that is their personal preference. For me, that's my personal preference as well. But experiment and see what works best for you and what gear you have and what helmet you're using. What about copyright-free music? Yes, you should use it. There's a lot of sources out there. What about a camera when you're off the bike? GoPro when you're on, when you're off the camera. If you're starting out, the best thing that I can tell you, most people have a great camera built into their phones. Is clean audio really a big deal? Yes, it is, even more so than videos. What about giveaways? So for me, it's just not worth it. Should you create YouTube shorts? Yes, create YouTube shorts. What is the best thumbnail creator? I've primarily used two. That's Adobe Photoshop. I used that for a while. I've really moved away from that, and now I'm using Filmora, Wondershare, Pix Studio. The next two things I want to give you is this. Number one is have realistic expectations, and also set goals that you can accomplish. I've talked about that in another video of mine. Set goals that you can accomplish, not things like I want to have 5,000 subscribers, but maybe a goal that you can hold yourself accountable to, like I'd like to upload twice a week or post to social media this many times a week. Get involved in the Motovlog community. Motovloggers love stickers, so get some stickers made and send them out. People love to do sticker swaps. Comment on people's videos. Let them know that you like the product that they're putting out and the content that they are providing. Also, get involved in live streams, whether you are on the actual video in the live stream or you're just participating in the chat. Get involved in the Motovlog community. That one is huge. I cannot stress that one enough. Well, I think that will do it. I have been talking now for about 25 minutes, so we'll see what this is like when I edit it down. Dixon's still snoring away. He's trying to get comfortable. I appreciate you guys watching. If you would, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel. I would very much appreciate that. I hope you guys have an excellent day, and we'll talk to you again soon.